Okay, Phil, sometimes I'm getting question, can you make the 6 amp battery from Makita 4, 3 or 5 amp battery? And yes, we can. I have this one, as you can see, it has some corrosion inside, and this one is not working for years. The customer told that, and the BMS is probably dead. So, and this one is even without LED indicators. And what I will do, I will remove the BMS, remove the cells, and I will repack it. Okay, and what we have here, we have the nickel strips. I'll just break them down. Sometimes knife really helps to do that. Straight, this one's it's not holding really well. If you compare with the new packs made down. Okay, dokie. Now we have a couple of screws inside here. Just taking them out and trying to separate the housings. Sometimes they are a little bit stuck and needs to be pushed out. Okay, the screws got out, and what I want to do, I want to show the battery packs, how they are inserted. Okay, you can see that Makita put the rubber covers here. I have the paper sealings here, so it is like it is, and now you can see minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So what normal I'm doing, I'm just taking the fits there and I'm putting my batteries in, and now I know that I need to put it minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and that's all. I can take them out. Okay, pushing this ones in. Looks nice, yep. Okay. Now I need to close the housing, and I have the rubber hammer for that, and just gently hammering it in. Okay, I will leave it for now. This one will not throw it out, to show something. And we have the battery pack here, and I can see that I made a mistake. You can see the positive here, so I swap at the cell. I need to get it out again.